In the words of Oscar Guayabero, without history, there is no innovation but novelty. The Escola Massana offers integral humanistic training in the interrelation between art, design, and related professions. It also supervises the T&I formula, in which the tradition of local legacy is compatible with conceptual innovations of the contemporary world. In this case, the goal of the Escola Massana is to train future thinkers, designers, artists, and artisans. It aims to preserve the uniqueness of the craft workshops, attempting to reinvent them in each curriculum. The Black Ceramics Seminar is an approach to traditional techniques with the participation of students and teachers, together with local potters and ceramic artisans. The seminar has a precise program that includes diverse activities, such as the development of traditional ceramic techniques, and the process of firing by reduction that makes the objects darker in the pottery workshops of Marcó in Quart and Quipsela in Sant Feliu de Guíxols.
There's another change in her, and we both knew this time. I get used to it. I get used to it.
The educational activity goals are to learn about the field, to know the legacy of the architect Rafel Masó, to know and experiment with the processes of black ceramics, to acquire knowledge of filling molds, to experiment with the shapes resulting from the molds and with the modeling clay, to know about firing in a reducing atmosphere, and to finish off objects. Nowadays, most of the production of these objects is for gardening or decoration, apart from their traditional production and uses, keeping a long pottery tradition alive. These workshops have stayed open, while others of other types have increasingly closed down. Contemporary contributions applied to design and actual art proposed by students can contribute to spreading a reformist view to artisans' work. As Antoni Gaudí said, originality consists of returning to the origin.